In this video, we're going to teach you how to create a chart using Google Sheets for the science fair. To start off, you need to be in Google Drive, and most of you know how to access Google Drive. Once you get to Google Drive, you want to click on New and create a Google Sheets. Once you create that, it loads automatically. You could title your spreadsheet if you want, you don't have to. So now you need to go back and think about your data that you've collected. For example, I've created a sample table with all the data on this science experiment, the effect of different light on plant growth. And you see that I have my independent variables here, which is the type of light, that's what I change. And the dependent variable, the plant height, is what I measure after I change the independent variable. What I want to be using here is this independent variable and the average heights that we got after we averaged all three of the heights together. When you create a chart, you're going to put the independent variable in column A and the dependent variable that matches it in column B. So in column A, my first independent variable would be the control group, which would be no light. And I actually can type that in. I'll put no light. And the average height was 10.5 centimeters. For now, just put 10.5. Leave out the centimeters so it can stay as a number. My next independent variable was sunlight. So I can type that in. Now how big did the sunlight ones get? That'd be 27.5 centimeters. Third independent variable would be the light bulb. And I saw that that was 21.5 centimeters. And my fourth independent variable was the fluorescent light. And I can move this over just to make it fit. You don't have to do that. And I saw that that was 26 centimeters on average. So now I've entered all my data. So now this is the part where we can create the chart. And to do that, we highlight all the boxes. For me, there'd be all 8 of these boxes. You're going to press Insert and Chart. And it gives you all these different types of charts to choose from. You could try the line chart. That one works pretty well. I like the bar chart because I think it gives each independent variable a bar graph, and it's kind of nice to do that. So that's under recommendations where you choose the chart type. Now we want to customize it a little bit. We want to get some data labels. So you go to customization for that. It's good to have a chart title. So I'm going to title it the title of our experiment, How Light Affects Plant Growth. So that title shows up right here. And I'm going to label also the independent variables and the dependent variables so people can see what I was measuring. So the horizontal would be the independent variable because that's down here. So my independent variable was type of light. So that shows up now. My vertical, left vertical, would be the dependent variable, what I'm measuring. So I was measuring plant growth. And it's good to have your units too, because otherwise you don't really know what 7.5 is. So we're going to put centimeters here. So plant growth in centimeters. Once you're done, you can just press Insert down here. And there you have it. We have our chart, how light affects plant growth, and it shows how each of them works. The sunlight, as you can see, is our winner. Fluorescent light was a close second. Now that your chart is created, you can put it anywhere. If you click on this triangle here and press Copy Chart, you can put that chart into Microsoft Word, Publisher, anything else that you want to print that chart off.